tired of manually downloading every important file? Let's automate that. We're going to set up a Zap that automatically saves files from popular cloud services directly to your computer. This is perfect for backing up important documents, organizing your work, or simply ensuring you always have a local copy. First, let's decide where your files are coming from in Zapier. Click Create Zap and choose your trigger app. This could be Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or any other service where your files are stored. Next, select the trigger event for most file saving scenarios. You'll want New File in Folder, or a similar option. This tells Zapier to watch a specific location for new files. You'll then need to connect your account for that service and specify the exact folder Zapier should monitor. Make sure you choose a folder that contains the files you want to save. Now for the action, we'll click Add a Step and search for an app or action that can save files to your computer. For this tutorial, we'll assume we're using a service that allows for local file storage, like a desktop application or a specialized automation tool that integrates with Zapier Note. Direct saving to your local hard drive from Zapier typically requires an intermediary service or a desktop app that's integrated with Zapier. For simplicity in this demo, we'll simulate this. In the action setup, you'll select the event, for example, Save File, then you'll map the data from your trigger. Crucially, you'll select the file name from your trigger app and the file content. This is the actual data of the file. This ensures that when a new file appears in your chosen cloud folder, Zapier grabs its name and its content. Before turning your Zap on, it's essential to test it to make sure everything is connected correctly. Zapier will pull a sample file from your trigger and attempt to perform the action. Review the results carefully. Once your test is successful, you can turn on your Zap. From now on, anytime a new file appears in the specified folder in your cloud service, it will automatically be saved to your designated location on your computer, streamlining your entire file management process.